Hello, Charles Crawford here, and in this video I'm going to teach you step by step how to build a professional WordPress blog. So let's get started. Now in the last video we talked about installing WordPress on your domain and different plugins. So go to your domain name /wp-admin. This is where you log into WordPress to edit your website. So normally you have to type in your login information that you set up, but I already did that like a minute ago, so that's why it didn't make me do that. Okay, so this is a dashboard, and so first we should probably focus on the appearance of the website. So themes, those are the templates. Now I currently have iFeature, which is a really good theme, but what you would do is go to install themes, because right now you have the basic WordPress theme, and then just hit search, and then they actually have a bunch of really nice free templates to use. As you can see, there's 38 pages, so you can scroll down and kind of see what you like. Some pretty cool ones. Here's iFeature. It's the one I currently have. Yeah, so then all you would do is you just hit install. Well, I already have that one installed, but for example this one, you just hit install now, and then it unloads it. And then if you hit activate, then it will actually become the template, but at the moment you still have the default template. So once you pick one, you have to hit activate. So let's take a preview and see what it would look like. Okay, it's okay. Alrighty, so that's how you do themes, which is the basics. So widgets are very important. Those are what's on the side of your website. So for example, right here, subscribe, recent posts, archives, this is the widgets category. So for example, I could take out the widget of archives, and then this would disappear. So for example, let's do a text. All you have to do is drag it over, and then you can do whatever you want. So this is just be an example, but let's just say backlinks, and then say just so you can visualize it. Let's do links to and categories. Yeah, so now let's see when I reload this. Aha! Check out the widgets, the backlinks, blog roll, and categories. So another reason I like this theme is because it's very customizable. On the top you have all your social media buttons, which are very useful, and at the bottom it has the like button and Google Plus One button. And a lot of themes don't necessarily include all those, but it's nice to have it right there for you. So those are widgets. And in the text, you can add whatever you want. So for example, you could add in an opt-in form from Aweber, or you can just put text if you want. So it's a real cool feature there. Here's the iFeature settings. So basically, here's all the social media buttons where you put in your info. Some basic info, design, general. Google Analytics code. This is important. If you set up an account with Google Analytics, you can track how many clicks you get and from what websites you're getting clicks. So I pasted the code in here, and now when I log into my Google Analytics, here I'll do it for you. You can see what kind of traffic you're getting. So this is just a random website of mine, but as you can see, up and down, and as traffic sources on the left, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, a blog that I posted on. So it's pretty cool, and you can have multiple websites. If you want to get the code, go to settings, and then up here it says add a new profile. Just hit that, and then you just put in the website that you want to do, and then it'll give you the code, and then you copy and paste it into here. So that's pretty sweet. Okay, well, I have a whole video on plugins because it's so important, but basically there's plugins for everything, and you want a lot of them, especially SEO plugins for your meta tags and keywords and all that stuff. Now, in the general settings, here's a title, tagline. Make sure you have your keywords in your title and tagline. Next, another important thing is permalinks. Now notice, you'll be on default, but if you go to custom structure and type in /% post name %, what this does is it takes the name, the title of your post, and makes it your permalink. So for example, if I did a blog post on how to get Facebook traffic, with this now, it would be at the location www.getmyownwebpage.com/Facebook traffic instead of all these numbers, because this looks kind of ugly. But if it says Facebook traffic, then it's a lot better. So change it to post name. And that's basically it. Now it's just a matter of editing your theme and putting in, if you have a logo, putting that in, and then just content. So posts. As you can see, I recently did a blog post. So you put in your title, and then it has visual and HTML. So HTML, this is the code for a video from YouTube that I embedded. And you can also do video, image, music, media, links. Here's the link button. And then category. And tags. So you need to add your tags. As you can see, I have 4 tags. I'll probably add more, but those help for SEO and keywording. So when people search for you, if you have the tags and the words in your body and in your headings and titles, it'll increase your chance of your website coming up. So yeah, so that's how you do a blog post, and all you do is just hit, well, normally this would say post, but it says update for me. And yeah, and then links. You can add a bunch of links. These already come with it, but for example, if you wanted to get backlinks from other websites and you needed to post their link on your site, you could do that here by adding a new link. So then you link to wherever you want, and then hopefully they link back to you. So this is where that's done. Yeah, so an example of where that would be is here. Normally you could have your links here. So these would all be links. Notice how like themes and WordPress blog, those are all right here. Look, themes, WordPress blog. So you could replace these with your websites. Alrighty, so go add a new post and a category and post your tags and download the theme, activate the theme, then edit it, put in all your info. Talked about permalinks. You got to change your permalink to the post name, and then you should be good. So that's pretty much it. Now just installing a bunch of plugins and getting traffic. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you want, I actually have, there's 26 videos in a video course that you can get from Chris Farrell, which I highly recommend. They talk about autoresponders and HTML and building a website through a normal HTML editor like Front Page or Composer. And he talks about FTP, which is very important for a web business, and pretty much everything you need to know about setting up an online business. So if you're interested in that, I'd recommend clicking the link below. You get instant access. Otherwise, you can opt in and you'll get the whole video course and an ebook on how to build your own website and a newsletter. So I definitely recommend checking it out though, because it's totally free. So alrighty, well, thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you soon, and just keep watching the next videos. Alrighty, thank you.